Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. That's how you do it. Today I'm gonna do another review of the Nikon Coolpix SQ. But why Nikon Coolpix SQ? That's because this is an unusual camera, and this doesn't look like or work like the regular cameras which you see, and it's a pretty old one. So let's start. Let's start off by opening the box. As soon as you open the box, it shows everything that's here, what you get inside it. Then as soon as you open it, you get the kickstart guide, and then you open the another layer, you see everything. I know it's a little messy, but that's how it was. And let's remove the camera out. Let's keep the rest for later. Now, yeah, this small screen. So as soon as you open it, shows for your safety. We don't need to do that. Introduction. Yeah, before you begin. Yeah, look, this other camera feels. Yeah, it actually like that. Cool, right? Takes it. Let's start. So as soon as you begin, they show this part. So they show this part. There's this card slot. I got this from another camera, and there's the battery, which is here. The battery. Let's show the battery. So this thing here is there to protect these three things. So these three which go inside here. So they're protected like this. Let's come to the camera. It's unusual. It's a square shape, and looks big, but the screen size is very small, and that's the only thing I hate about this camera. Or else it's pretty good. I still don't know if it works because I haven't touched this for a long time. And look, there's a crack in the lens. Glass. Let's start. They show everything. I guess I don't need this right now. Let's just begin with this. Let's open up. Let's see if there's any juice left inside this. Yeah, it's broken. I can't lock this. See these holes? These holes should like go inside this. And this. Look at this. As soon as you like push this in, this comes out. So satisfying to do. But let's not do that. Yeah. Look, because the lock is broken, how much it bulges out. Yeah, it's okay. Let's see if there is any battery left by turning it on. Nice, it turned on. Look at the noise. Oh, there's system error. It's okay. Let's try it out later. But now, let me show you why I choose to make a video on this guy, this particular guy. It's the Nikon Coolpix SQ, from a Japanese company, Nikon. It was pretty regular. There's camera mode, scene mode, video mode, and the setup. So these are the regular buttons to control. This is for zooming and for zoom in, zoom out. I don't know what this is. This is for the delete option, and this is for the transfer, I guess. But the best part is this thing. So it's like this, flat. For shooting, you need to do this. Yeah, you can still record like this. You see here, it records something in front of you. But you can do this, like the regular cameras. You can even do something like this. Look, it's it's normally like this, you can still do this, and you hold like normal camera but you look down. I mean, like, it points down. You can even take a selfie. Look, one cool thing when taking selfies is when you go to take a selfie, the screen becomes this small. Wait, let me just show you. Okay, so this is such a small screen, and on top of that, when you take a selfie mode, it becomes more small. You see the line straight. Okay, it covers only this much of the screen. How much is seen here? Only that much, and that small the image is. Now let's look at how to charge this thing. There are two ways of charging this, so let's check it. Let me take the box. So here, this is one of the methods to charge. I'll come to that later. Wait, yeah, here's the charger. These two things. Let's keep the box aside and show you what this is. Box aside. Now it's regular how we do in normal laptops. Push that in. Done. This goes to the regular socket. This thing goes either. This is called the cool station, where you can charge your camera and an extra battery here as well. So when you keep the camera in the cool station, there's a separate like input thing. So you place that like this. So for this thing goes here, this thing goes here. So just push it like that. Yeah, when it's charging, it charges like that. And this is also the method how you transfer your files to your computer. So you see this thing. So this thing goes inside here, and the USB part goes to the computer, and that's how you transfer your files. Now to charge this yellow thing goes either into this part, or there's another way. If you don't want to use the cool station and now be cool, you can like show it here. Yeah, let's see. Charge it here. You push that way, charge it regular way, and there's an output. This AV out. So this an output. So the cool station, it's like a stand for the camera, and as I told you, you can like charge an extra battery. Let me just show you with this battery right now. Just insert it like that, and it charges both at the same time. But to charge this, first one battery should be inside this if you want to use the cool station to charge your camera, of course. And if you have any extra, you can do here. It depends upon if you want to use it or not. So now let's see how it charges. So let's try charging it as I told. First we'll start with this. Just plug in here and see if it's working. Okay, let's just see. First let's try it with the cool station. Let's see if it actually charges. See if it still works. Look, I see something. Yellow light blinking. That means full, so we don't need to charge it, but just to show, just showing you how it works. Let's just put it aside, and it's completely charged. We don't need to worry. but one major concern is it doesn't work. And yeah, we know it. We don't have any like service stations now for this, or I doubt there are any spare parts for this in stores. And yeah, this is the playback button. I guess that's it. Thanks for watching, guys.